Good morning. Welcome to the Pacific Meadows, one of the bigger subdivisions locations up here in Marysville. Right up there is your group of 5 homes. Give me the pluses of this property. There's about 30 plus different floor plans that you could pick from on this. And the prices on this range anywhere from the low 240s all the way up to the low 310s. This one right here, I do believe is $309,000. It's about 3,100 square feet. It's huge, and I understand the lots are not tremendously big, but you can only get so much for the buck nowadays. But these homes are huge. There's a lot of flats that are still available, and a lot of proper streets still being built. I'll give you an example right here. Again, this home right here is probably in the low 240s. This one is the top of the line on the corner, low 300s, but they're huge. So there you go, Marysville, Washington, Pacific Meadows.